Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about my project, my final year project. I will explain. Project will be on based on Python. It will be a hospital management system. So I will open this. So this is a database file and these all are the images. This is the login page of hospital. Then I will go into login page. So if you want to exit, then it will exit yes or no. So if you yes, then you will exit. Then we will log in into that from login page. So this is the home page of my hospital management system software. This is desktop software. So this is the home page, and if you want to register, then this is the patient ID. It will automatically register. You don't want to enter my name 23 946 0060. Okay, 666. Address JLOR. This is fever. It will generate automatically date, current date, doctor name Jayesh, number 01. Okay, we'll add this all the entry into the database, so it will add and it will later add it successfully. Okay, congratulations. This is the ID of patient, so I will copy this ID and it will generate a receipt. Okay, then click on the receipt button. So this is receipt, and if you want to print this receipt, it will there is a button. You can print in hard copy. So if you want to search which was registered, then paste this ID and search. So all the ideas, all the details will be come here. And if you want to update any entries, so I will update 11 11. Okay, update this and copy this ID. Then we'll copy, and so room number will be updated, and all the details will be same as before. So if you want to see the record, then I will okay yes only. This will be a previous save, and yes only mail 67 Jayesh, room number 11. Okay, there is a scroll bar. You can scroll up, down, or right, or left. Okay, and this same patient will be admitted. Then you fill all the details like this patient ID will not generate automatically. So if you want to paste this ID and like yes Sony center 23 9460060 address Jalori fever check-in. This will be check-in date, so 03 03 2020. Blood group O positive, doctor name Jayesh, and checkout date will be a 05 and 03 2020. Okay, room number will be a 15. Okay, and room type will be a normal room. Okay, or personal room. And select the price, 1000 rupees, and click on add button to add on the database. So all details will be added, and we will search and admit information. So patient will be admit or not. So all the details will be set on their location of the entry box. So if you want to update, and it also updated, I think I will update 2000. Okay, and copy this ID. So update this. Update. Okay, then again search, paste admin information. Again search, and all the data will be set on the empty box, and the price will be updated successfully. So okay, then if you want to add the data of the staff member, then ID will generate automatically, and you will enter your name like Harish, the position professor, department cardiologist. Okay, mail ID Harish 123 @gmail.com. Salary like 40, like 758. Address Jaipur, and add this data. So it will generate automatically ID, and if you want to copy, then copy this ID. And, if you want to search the staff information, and paste this ID and again search, so all the data will be set, and you can also update like Harish Jain update. So data updated successfully, and copy this ID. So you can copy. Okay, copy. Then all data will be set. And if you want to show in record, staff record, then so this one is Harish Jain, male, official cardiologist. All data will be show. If you want to show the less, or okay, and after all the process, the patient will check out from that hospital. Then it will generate a final bill. So I think um, like let example, the ID of patient will be 01, and name will be J. Okay, general male, 22, disease, fever, phone number. Okay, phone number, address, Ajmer, doctor name Rajesh. Okay, doctor charges like thousands, lab test 200. Okay, 220, 70, 50. Okay, and it will, this is a button of total. It will total is all the amount, and if you want to save for future searching, then you will save, and it will generate a receipt. So this will be a receipt. I couldn't prepare. If you want, then I will generate according to your. Then it will also print. Okay, it will not correct because okay, printer is not connected, and I will search the bill record, and it also set I think 01. So all the data will be setted successfully, and this is the appointment section. Okay, and like if you want to set appointment number 02. Okay, patient name Kishan, male. Okay, age will be at 24. Phone number and address will be Jaipur, and time 11 a.m. Okay, and date will be 04/04/03.
This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.